Hi, welcome to Supreme Revamped. Today, we'll see what Sonic characters look like as puppies. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Shadow the Hedgehog, as a puppy, maintains his mysterious allure and formidable power. Vector the Crocodile, transformed into a puppy, retains his love for music and an impressive bite. Mighty the Armadillo, now a puppy, showcases his resilience and protective nature. Cream the Rabbit, as a puppy, remains kind-hearted, gentle, and always accompanied by her trusty chow friend. Rogue the Bat, transformed into a puppy, combines beauty, grace, and a penchant for shiny objects. Blaze the Cat, now a puppy, embodies elegance, agility, and an affinity for fire. Metal Sonic, as a puppy, demonstrates a sleek and metallic appearance with astounding robotic abilities. Knuckles, now a puppy, exhibits strength, bravery, and a knack for finding hidden treasures. Omega, transformed into a puppy, showcases unwavering loyalty and impressive robotic skills. Dr. Eggman, as a puppy, still possesses his mischievous intellect and a penchant for chaos. Amy Rose, now a puppy, is just as feisty and determined as ever. Tails, transformed into a puppy, remains loyal and has an adorable pair of tails. Sonic the Hedgehog, as a puppy, remains cool and retains his incredible speed. Tikal the Echidna, transformed into a puppy, retains her connection to ancient powers and wisdom. Jet the Hawk, as a puppy, embodies a competitive spirit and soaring aerial prowess. Charmy the Bee, as a puppy, buzzes around with endless energy and an insatiable curiosity. Espio the Chameleon, now a puppy, showcases his ninja-like stealth and impressive camouflage skills. Silver Sonic, transformed into a puppy, brings futuristic charm and speed to the mix. Big the Cat, now a puppy, brings a laid-back demeanor and a love for fishing on his adventures. That's all for today. Now, watch this next video for more Sonic versions.